Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to continue on from our infotainment unit and we're going to cover all the features of the navigation system. Going over to map, so this is your map and it's using GPS to find your location here. It ties in with the navigation button. If you wanted to go to navigation, that will take you to the navigation option. Go to start route guidance. So that has now started to guide us to our last destination. If we wanted to change the destination, we can go over to our navigation button, enter a new destination, go to your address book. You can see here we've got Southwest 191 Uniform Whiskey, which is the postcode for intro car, and you can start navigation, and it's now worked out the route, which is very short because we're here. But yep, so that's basically how you would enter a destination to use your satellite navigation system. In this option here, it allows you to select any stopover destinations. So if you want to make a stop on your journey, if you want to change your route to avoid congestion, or just any other options, you might want to avoid motorways, you might want to avoid toll roads. You can do that all in that menu there. So we'll just stop that now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.